Hello, welcome to How I Played It. My name is Mukundu. I'm a Zimbabwean producer and session guitarist who is featured on more than 1,000 albums. This is part of my short series of demonstrations on how I played some of my most popular guitar lines. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Mukundu Music. I hope you're going to enjoy. Hello once again. One of the most popular guitar lines that I played is the one that I played for Fungisai. We recorded the track on 7 February 2002, and it was one of the biggest hits in Zimbabwe. And the guitar line still remains one of the most popular guitar lines in Zimbabwe. And it's in the key of A, and basically the notes are then that's for the main guitar line when she'll be singing, and then I played another guitar line for the guitar solo, for the instrumental part. But the main line of the song is this one, which is these notes. So when you play it with the normal tempo, it's supposed to be. So that's all about that guitar line. And then on the instrumental part, I played this line. So the notes that I played, I started with, remember it's in the key of A, so I'm on fret number 14, my finger is on fret number 14, so it's I'll do it again. Okay, so I'm going to play both lines using the backtrack. Here we go. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed learning those lines. You can slow down the video and get the actual notes in an easier way. And I think that's it. Let's meet on the next episode of How I Played It. Thank you for watching.